Hello students, how are you all? I am your science teacher. Today we continue with our chapter number 2, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. In a week 6 we studied about the microorganism as friend. Today we learn about microorganism as foe. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of them cause disease in human beings, plants and animals. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Pathogens enter our body through the air, water and food. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person is known as the communicable disease, and carrier may be air, water, food and physical contact. So, microbial disease that can spread through an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable disease. For example, cholera, common cold, chickenpox and tuberculosis. The question in your mind, what is non-communicable disease? The heart attack, diabetes, that are the non-communicable disease. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are sprayed in the air, and the virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. That means that when we sneeze, many viruses are come through the moisture and spread in the air, and if this air breathed by the healthy person, then it enters into the healthy person body. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease causing microorganism, and the most popular insect is housefly. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Germs stick to the bodies of housefly. When these flies sit on the uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens or germs. Whoever eats the contaminated or polluted food is likely to get sick. So it is advisable to always keep food covered. Another carrier is the female Anopheles mosquito that is responsible for malaria disease. Female Aedes mosquito act as a carrier of dengue. Here virus is not the correct word, just is a dengue. All mosquitoes breed in water. Which kinds of water? Stagnant, collecting dirty water. Hence we should not let water collect anywhere. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Try to make a list of measures which help to avoid the spread of malaria. Some common human disease caused by microorganisms. Here the table is given. The human disease, causative microorganisms, mode of transmission and preventive measures. Human disease, in that column name of the disease are there. Causative microorganisms means which microorganisms are responsible for particular disease. Mode of transmission means in which way they are transmit, and preventive measures. Tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox and polio. Tuberculosis is bacterial disease. It transmits through the air. Measles is a virus disease, transmit through air. Chickenpox is viral disease. It transmits through air and contact. And polio is a viral disease transmitted by air or water. Some preventive measures for this disease are: keep the patient in complete isolation, keep the personal belongings of the patient away from those of others, and vaccinations to be given at suitable age. Cholera is a bacterial disease transmitted by water or food. Typhoid is also a bacterial disease transmitted by water. Which preventive actions should be taken? Maintain a personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water, and vaccination at suitable age. Hepatitis A is a viral disease transmitted through the water. In this disease, we drink boiled water and taken vaccination at suitable age. Malaria is a disease caused by the protozoa, as we know, Anopheles mosquito. Carrier is a mosquito. Use the mosquito net and repellents and spray insecticides and control the breeding of stagnant water to stop the growth of mosquito. So this is some common human disease causing by the microorganisms. Disease causing microorganism in animals. Several microorganisms not only cause disease in humans and plants but also in animals. For example, anthrax is a dangerous for the human and cattle disease spread by the bacteria. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by the virus. Robert Koch discovered the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax disease. Disease causing microorganism in plants. The first is citrus canker caused by bacteria, and the bacterial transmitted through the air. Rust of wheat causing by the fungi. Yellow vein mosaic or of bindi, that okra, is spread by the virus. So these are three plant disease: citrus canker, rust of wheat, yellow vein mosaic of bindi. Microorganisms also spoil the food, so food preservation must be required. Food is spoiled by microorganisms. Spoiled food has bad smell and bad taste and cause food poisoning. So food can be preserved by protecting from the microorganism. Several methods used for the preservation of food are: first is chemical method. Food like the pickles can be preserved by using chemicals such as salt and edible oils. Jams and squeezes can be prevented by using the sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite. These chemicals are called preservative. Students, from this paragraph, question is asked: name some chemicals used for preservatives. The answer is salt, sodium benzoate, and sodium metabisulfite. Second, by using common salt. Food like fish, meat, amla, raw mango, tamarind, etc. can be preserved by the common salt. This common salt stops the growth of microbes. By using sugar, food like the jams, jellies, squeezes can be preserved using sugar solution. That also stop the growth of microbes. Using oil and vinegar, food like pickles, vegetables, fish, meat are preserved by using oil and vinegar. By heat and cold treatments. Heating food items kills the microbes. Similarly, storing food items at low temperatures prevent the growth of microorganisms. In previous standard, you studied about the pasteurization process. In this process, milk is heated about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilling it to prevent the growth of microbes is called pasteurization, and this process was discovered by the Louis Pasteur. Store the food properly by storage and packing. Many food items are stored in the airtight containers, so protect them from the microbes. This is about the preservation of the food. What is preservation? It is the process to preserve the food or spoil the food, stop the spoil of the food from the microorganism. What mean of the preservatives? Some chemicals are used for the preservation of the food is known as the preservatives. Next is a nitrogen cycle. Students, as we know that the nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into the nitrogenous compound in the soil by the nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. Lightning also converted the nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound and mix into the soil. The nitrogen compounds in the soil is used by the plants for the synthesis of the proteins and other compounds. Animals are dependent on plants and get these proteins and other compounds. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi in the soil convert the nitrogenous phase into the nitrogenous compounds in the soil, which are again used by the plant. Some other bacteria converts the nitrogen compounds in the soil into the nitrogenous gas, which goes back into the atmosphere. Hence, the nitrogen in the atmosphere almost remains the constant. This is about the nitrogen cycle. Here, atmospheric nitrogen is written. ભૂખ લાગે પણ આન્સર લર્ન કરે તો